Well, here we are everyone, Friday the 26th of June. We're a month into winter almost. Sensational weather again, 22 degrees. I just set the camper up, I'm waiting on the boys to come out. Set the camper up, the shower, everything's sorted out, the awning, and just waiting on Caddy and Tyson to roll up and we'll head fishing. Oh, another sensational day. The ocean's quite calm. Look at this. Tyson and I just pulled up on the beach here. It's an incoming tide. We just set the line out with the drone and he's hooked something. Here we go. Well, we sent it out, it was 173 metres. Well lads, here we go. Oh, did it get off? No, that's still on. This is the second cast with the drone here. Tyson's hooked another one. I'm going to give him that rod of work here. Oh, he's hooked a big monster salmon here. Gee, that's a good size. Oh well. 2 outings with the drone, 2 fish. Well, this is the 4th drone cast and we've hooked again. And he reckons it, oh, it might be something better than a salmon this time. Oh, I think he's got a big skippy here. Oh, awesome!
Holy shit!
Oh man! You're going to be happy with that? Oh, Dyson! Oh, this drone's awesome. Oh, wow!
Check that out!
You've got to be happy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the old beach is pretty heavy going. Lucky the tide's gone out a bit. It's been right up to the bank here. Oh, she's bogging down there. There we go, Saturday night. We're set up again. About to do a bit of drone fishing. Another sensational night. The weather's meant to turn tomorrow. Screen house set up. Tyson's over there rigging up. We just set the drone out. We're going to try some drone fishing at night. And he's hooked one already.
Like we can do this for the job.
Yeah. Oh man. Very good. Not what we wanted to catch, but can't complain. Yeah, Tyson and I out here fishing away. Just cleaned up some fish over there. Picking up a massive feed. Oh, check that out. Bugs and carrots, peas, steak and sausages. Oh, we're living the dream again. About 8 o'clock in the morning. Done a few more mods to the ute. Got the jerry water can in there. Got some drawers made up. Absolutely awesome. The jerry can's plumbed in over here. Easy to get to water, make a cup of tea. Packed all the gear away, he's about to hook her on. Dyson's pumped his tyres up, hit the road.